How to add promo code in Shein. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Shein. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this interface. So in order to add promo code, firstly you have to place an order. Click on this cart icon at the top right corner. Choose the product that you wanted to buy and then click on checkout at the bottom right corner. The option of apply coupon will be visible to you. Click on it. Now in this section, you simply have to paste the promo code or the coupon code that you have just copied. Once you have entered the promo code, click on apply. And now here you can see, with the help of your promo code, you just got certain amount of discount in the product that you wanted to buy. Now all you gotta do is click on place order. With the help of the suitable payment method, you have to pay the amount and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to add promo code on Shein. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.